Hello to everybody. We are here for the installation and an overview of the ScummVM. It's the emulator able to run the old games you can find on the same platform where we will look for. First time we need to access to the website is ScummVM. You can search or you can type directly the address. Take care about the scam. For that, the address is exactly this. You go here and you will find the page like that. The page is frequently updated. There is a really lot of content, but where we have to go is here, where you can see the logo and miscellanea theme, my menu, and then in download. Allora, in download there are many links, and as you can see, you can get this application also for other platforms like your computer or other smartphone. Allora, the link we need is the one for Android, and the version we need is the ARM64 for the latest Android devices, or ARMv7 for the oldest. This is the one linked as stable version. Then, if you want to try the latest change, there is the version called daily building, where you can get the daily build of the application. This application usually are stable, I can assure you that, but can make some problem. For that, my suggestion is to get always the daily buildings because are stable, but if you see there are problem, go directly for the stable one. So, official daily buildings, then here just get the ARM download latest stable. You can download this version. It should start the download soon. If it doesn't work, try again.